Hi, I'm Ron Greenbaum, the Basement Doctor. For over 35 years, I've helped homeowners and businesses stay safe and healthy. Our enlisted products are EPA registered and proven to be effective against COVID-19.
That's great, Dad. I want the same thing for my home, and I want it to be safe for kids and pets. So building on the tradition and trust of the Basement Doctor, I'm excited to introduce Betsy Be, probiotic cleaning and all-natural disinfection, a new generation of clean. Betsy Be certified professionals ensure a safe, effective, ongoing clean.
It is a new generation of clean.
Whether you're keeping your family safe
or your business,
you can trust the Basement Doctor
and Betsy Be. For a healthier, safer, more effective clean, call the Basement Doctor or Betsy Be.